unboxing the second ever RWPP, which stands for Rose War Panty Power subscription box. Now you guys know last month was the first time that I've ever unboxed a subscription, and I instantly fell in love. I thought it was absolutely an amazing box. They did send this over to me complimentary just like last month, and I am super excited to unbox this for you guys as well. I'll give you more information in a second regarding this subscription, but before we jump into the video, guys, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here, not only am I highly caffeinated, thank you Apple Crisp Bang and Daily Harvest for my counteracting getting healthy smoothie, but it is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, we talk about makeup and apparently my britches, and we just have a good old time over here. So hopefully this is a place for you where you stick around, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, because you never know if Rhonda's going to be able to talk or what's going to come out of my mouth. So let's go ahead and jump right in. A little information about this box. It is a monthly subscription, and it does cost $25.20 per month plus shipping. And if there's any coupon codes, I can't remember because my brain is mush, I will pop it up over here if there's anything off on your first box. Now, like I said, or did not say, but they did send this to me complimentary last month. They did send it to me complimentary again this month because I geeked out, freaked out, and fell in love, and they were like, can we send you another? And I'm like, can we be friends? Yes. So in this box, it is customizable. So before I jump into everything, because I am so highly caffeinated, God only knows what's going to come out, but hopefully I get you the right information. So let me just do that first. It says the RWPP is a monthly subscription box to empower you during that magical time of the month. I don't know about that. It's not magical. It's kind of a pain in the but anyhow. Each box does contain 15 organic pads, tampons, or both. Now that you do get to customize. And it does say that 2 brand new undies, so brand new panties, and again, that's customizable. You can choose your britches, you can choose thongs, or, you know, your honey cheeks covered, whatever it may be. And then you do get lifestyle gifts and some snacks and samples. So like I said, it is $25.20 per month plus shipping, and you also have the opportunity to save per box when you purchase a 3-month or 6-month subscription. A little bit of information as far as the retail value of each box. It says each monthly box will have a retail value of at least $60 or more. It says at RWPP, getting your money's worth is very important. We also strive to bring you a unique, handcrafted, fun, and useful item from your box. And I have to say, last month it was like this delicious honey soap, and it was just amazing. And I will tell you guys, look how precious this is. Now again, this is geared towards your monthly girly time of the month, you know, like when Aunt Flo comes to visit and she's really annoying. Trust me, this is a gift to yourself. Husbands, boyfriends, listen up. This is a gift to your wife and to your girlfriend, or moms with teens, right here. Okay, so we always get a little card in here, and it says the August box full of joy. Gives you information about the items in the box as far as the retail value, and then they have little areas for surprise gifts in here as well, and it tells you the retail value of each one, and I'm getting really excited seeing it. So look how cute this is, guys. Like, you guys know I am a packaging junkie connoisseur. Like, I will buy things. Actually, you know what, I don't want to divulge that information, because if you're new here and you forgot it was a judgment-free zone, I don't want to hear about it in the comments. But your girl likes packaging. Okay, look how cute this is. I seriously, like, I'm a snack girl. Like, we're gonna just forget that I was ever on the keto bus, because I like my snacks like no other. I have Daily Harvest smoothies every day because it makes me feel healthy for what I'm about to choose to put in my body for the rest of the day. You know what I'm saying? So here's some of the snacks. So this one is the cheddar cheese Cheetos crackers. And what I really like is they did this last month. They have snacks in here from, I don't know the proper terminology or grammar for this, but from different international snacks. So I'm not for sure what these are, and I didn't know what they were last month, but I ate them anyways, and they were really delicious. So think of going to like a, what's that called? Jungle Gyms, in the international section where you find treats and snacks, you get things like that in here. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the first item I see in here is the Appeal Gel Liner in Deep Taupe. Now, we've seen Appeal gel liners in other subscription boxes, and I really do like them. This is like a dark brown shade, so I'm assuming the thing with these is you could always use this on your lips, like hello 90s, you know, or you could use this like I'm going to and use this on my eyes. I actually have a chocolate the pure liner in like a brown on my eyes right now. Ooh, okay, so I don't know what this is. Is this for your car? Oh my gosh, it's a car perfume. I've been wanting these. I was actually looking at, I forget which brand it was, but they were like crazy expensive, and I was like, I'm not paying that to make a little decorative thing in my car, but I will take this in a $25 box. So this is the air freshener, Live Young Candle Company. Look how cute. You just hang this up in your car. I gotta smell it. It says new car leather. Hold on, let me take the doodad off. Oh, I'm afraid I'm gonna make me a mess. Oh, I'm gonna have my husband help. Okay, I am struggling to remove it, so I'm not gonna do that because I'm not looking to break it out. So we're just gonna go ahead and put that right back on there. But how cute is that? It's gonna be precious when I do finally do it. Okay, moving on, the next item I see in here is a chapstick in Rosemary Peppermint, which is always nice. I always like to have chapsticks on hand personally because, you know, you get dry lips. The next item, this is, tis the season, it is August, and I'm all about the pumpkin scent, guys. Like I brought back out my pumpkin lotions, my pumpkin candles are burning as we speak. This is the Zion Health Pumpkin Mud Mask. Now they actually have a deodorant line, and I've used their deodorant and it does work. It's actually my 14-year-old's favorite. Ooh, oh my god, this smells delicious. I wish we had smell-o-vision. I can't wait to use this. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. It's this beautiful, I think the lights are drowning it out, beautiful like orangey pumpkin color. Oh, I love pumpkin. I am that girl. I am that girl. So this has, I should have told you guys, the retail value of this is $20, and then your card abuser does have a retail value of $10 in here. The Appeal Gel Liner does have a retail value of $21, which I knew this was expensive. That's why I always love to receive these in subscription boxes, because I'm not about purchasing that. And then of course, like I said, this is where you get to customize whether you want pads or tampons or both. And like I said, they are organic, both tampons and the pads, which you guys, I know like some people don't care, but once I started to research it, and then well, actually my sister-in-law had told me like the importance of like organic pads and tampons and everything, and I started like researching it and looking into it more and more, and it's kind of scary the crap that they put into our feminine products. So if you can do organic, I would highly recommend it, and these are good quality products. I can definitely attest to that. So then of course we do get some of these little business wipes for our business area, you know what I'm saying? So you do get 4 of those, and then we get our britches. Okay, so these are always so precious. Now last month, I'm a big girl now, I got really embarrassed to show you guys my britches, but these are really good, high quality panties, okay? I don't know why it's so hard to say panties, like be a big girl. So they will purchase, or they will send you the size you need, and like I said, you have a choice of keeping the marriage alive panties or being cozy, like I enjoy, and getting, oh my god, these are cute. These are so flippin' cute. I think I have something like this already. So these are like a cotton brief with a cute little like lace. cute little lace up here. And again, like I said, they go off based off of your size. These are adorable and I love these. They sent me like 2 pairs last month where they were seamless, which are absolutely amazing. And again, guys, like I said, this is $25 and change and shipping. But I mean, panties alone, depending on where you get them, I mean, you're looking at like, what, $5 to $12 a pair? You know what I'm saying? Like, even if you go to Target and pick them up, you're still looking at least $5. So, and then if you want the seamless kind, you know. So anyways, really excited about that. And then I did get another one of these yummy little treats in here. So like I said, I think that these are great boxes to either gift to yourself for that time or to, you know, your daughter or what have you, wife, girlfriend. And I love the fact that it is customizable to what your needs are. So like I said, if you're only down to use pads or tampons, they send these, and like I said, they are organic. So I really like that. And like I said, it's too funny that they sent over the car diffuser thingy because I was literally looking for this. And I have yet to get, I mean, granted this is only my 2nd box, but last month's panties were just absolutely adorable. So anyways, guys, did you guys go ahead and sign up? And let me know if you did. What did you get in your box? Was yours customized a little bit different? Or what was your favorite item in your box? Not or, and. Anyways, guys, I like this box. I enjoy this box. And they had told me that it was coming. And I have literally been stalking my mailman for this box. Because, like I said, I love getting the treats. And I love getting the little goodies that are in it and everything. And I can't wait to try out this pumpkin mask. Because your girl is 10 times kinds of basic. And there's that. So anyways, guys, don't forget there is still a giveaway going on our channel for the beautiful Artemis palette from Alter Ego. If you guys are curious in picking up this Natasha Denona Metropolis dupe, it is $19.80 if you do use code HOTMESS over at Shop Alter Ego. I'll leave it down in the comment section below for you guys in the description box. Like I said, I do have a giveaway going on right now. I will leave a link to that video down below for you guys. You have to go over to that video to go ahead and enter into that giveaway. The more you comment, the best way to get a hold of you, etc. over in that video, the better your chances, just saying. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram as well. I did do a look doing this, or I did do a look using this palette as well as the look that is on my eyes today. So like I said, let me know down below, what were your thoughts on the RWPP box? I am super happy with it. I have enjoyed it very, very much, and I greatly appreciate you guys sending this over to me. Thank you again so much. And anyways, friends, that's all for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, I would love for you to stick around, hit that thumbs up button, turn on your notification bells, whatever it may be. The caffeine's strong. I think I'm gonna film another video all day long. I'm gonna hear about it in the comment section, but you know what? Once again, it's a judgment-free zone. Okay, friends, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah!